Louis Tremblay here from Better in Belize. We're here in our organically minded garden. And why do we call it organically minded? Because you're never 100% sure where anything comes from. But you got a lot better chance here at Better in Belize knowing where your food's coming from than if you're buying it at your supermarkets. We use all the permaculture principles. We use vermiposting. Our tilapia farm produces great fertilizer. We do make our own fungicides and herbicides and pesticides out of local organic things here, from neem trees, from oranges, etc., from our hot peppers, etc. This garden is sporting a huge diversity of plants. We have our free-range chickens here that are helping fertilize and clean up the bug aspects. We have carrots, we have cabbages, we have lettuce, we have cucumbers, we have celery. You can see papayas out in the distance. In behind me across here we have our flower garden, which obviously our bees have to have to help come so that we can have and attract them to our gardens. We have stingless bees that we'll show you a little video a little bit later on, which is really, really neat. They make a very different type of medicinal honey. And carrying on through here, we have chives and onions, we have broccoli, we have cauliflower. There's actually 106 different types of fruits and vegetables planted on this property. And as we go through, you'll see a lot more, but we've got pineapples that are coming up. We've got squash and pumpkins. And in behind me, we have a number of different things that have been planted down here, along with a very sequential or succession planting of carrots. So we plant small amounts so that we have always a continual aspect of carrots. We use companion planting, which helps putting things together, that plants that like to grow together. And we also have a number of different things that we do. We have cilantro, which is one of the local plants that's very similar to cilantro, and we also grow cilantro. So we're utilizing local plants here that grow exceptionally well, and we've introduced, hey, guys, no fighting, no fighting, relax. They want to get on camera, I think. So we have a movable chicken coop here, which is like a chicken tractor, which allows us to put them onto the gardens and have them fertilize and clean up those insects as well. So I just wanted to thank you very much for coming down and checking this area out. We've got 5 acres here at this garden, and at our lower garden I think it's about 2.5 acres. And this we're obviously blossoming into making it a food forest. And you can see it's not a conventional garden. We have some nice meandering pathways and some sitting areas with some shade, etc. in it. We have a pond on our lower side. We have our earth bag storage area, which we call a bodega here, as well as up top we have our composting areas and our aquaculture and our vermiposting. So thanks for coming along, and hopefully you come on down to Belize. We need you to come down and help us out in our gardens, all right? Thank you.